Monday show of the Breakfast Club. My name is Darren Hancock, and it's the 22nd of June, 2026. Got a nice little Model 2 here for internal range of liquidity. Ate out the rest of this here, and I just left that last one on, just popped off now. For just looking for a run at these highs and see if we can't get a little higher. So what I want to see now is either a run above this high with a body, trade back into it, and then send it higher. Or see if we pull back into this range, back into this area here somewhere. Right. Nice little $1,000 start off the day. Okay, so over the weekend we have had this new week opening gap right here. We've traded down, we've traded up and through it, back to the first bull trap. You see how there's a little bull trap here? So we trade through it on a close, just come back, tap it, send it higher inside this larger range, and you want to get back right back into this, the last little up close BISI, which is way up in here. So we trade all the way back up into 70% or more of that range, consolidation, bounce off of it, come right back into the mean threshold. I don't know how many times I've told you guys about this candle here. The first candle to the left, that's your bull candle. After a swing, taking out some lows, watch that day active candle. That becomes the bull trap. The moment you break above it on a close, come back and tag it. Then look for, that's a Model 2 for a continuation. We haven't seen a Model 1 here. You pretty much open and close on this. And that's, we've debated many times in the past, whether or not you take that as a trade. I prefer to see a body close above it, come back and tag the SIBI before going higher. But because you're high in this small little leg here, you got to wait for this bull trap to close above. It does. Trade, come back, tag it, send it higher. Looking for the consolidation. See if you can get through that consolidation up into this premium box way up here. So you come back into that bull trap. If you don't get it here, you have to wait all this time, hours, for it to come back into that mean threshold. And you do not want to see that mean threshold get broken to the downside. If it does, look for an attack on the SIBI below. It comes back perfectly to the mean threshold of it. We start to get a lift off. Now you want to see a continuation. Once you get through this premium box inside this small little, or sorry, in this leg here, you want to see it act as support and go higher. So we went through it. We came back to the edge of it and then sent it back through here. The highs are done. Now you want to see that consolidation get taken and then reactivated or reused to go higher. So we break it here, come back down to it, trade back up into that premium area, and then break down again. So wait for the first candle or this little cluster you see right here. If we lose that on the downside, then look for another attack on this. If you look here, we came all the way back down, tagged it again, sent it higher. So far, so good. So now it's just going to be a wait for the next macro. I wanted to see if 840 holds price on a close. And we still have another hour and something. So 840 is my objective, or my next data point, and then after that it's going to be 874. 874. And then we'll see if 874 holds. So this 840 area, we'll see if that just tags that and rolls over and starts coming back down again. I got one other person watching. Whoever you are, welcome. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Just you and me to your front door. Let's go check something here. So far it's holding. Now let's see if we touch this and start going higher. If I lose that 840 level, then that's the level that I'm looking for next, is that 873, 874 level. It's good. We'll see this breakdown and start losing this now. We're going to bounce off of here. So 2 data points. Looking for the continuation to here. Or see if we start eating through this BISI here, using it as support, start coming back deeper into this range. put in all your, if you're interested in this stuff, I like to put in all the markers for the day, the key levels that you'd be looking for price to reach for. So you see we didn't get much of a bounce other than that right up to the perfect top of that premium array there, and send it lower. So I'm going to see this tested, send it lower, leave a portion of this open now. Next candle, you want to see this come back up into here. The next 23 seconds, you want to see that close. And then the next candle I want to see come back up in here and just tag this. Or even clean it up and then send it lower. You don't want to see it trade back through this premium level again. That's fine there too. Little swing point. No institutional order flow entry deal yet. So you got to watch. It's still come lower. Still want to see it pop up in here though. Don't chase it. Just wait. Through this one, you want to see a retest of this and then go lower. You don't want to see that get broken to the upside now. Now that we've created this candle below here, I want to see this candle hold, act as support, come lower. You don't want to see even so much as the mean threshold of that. I don't want to see this break up here. Good morning, Hadi. How are you today? Weekend was good, thank you, sir. How's family? How's everybody there? No, I don't want to see this break here. If it does, then I'm looking for another run back up into here. Watch there in 3 seconds. Now that we've swept this low here, you're on the wrong side of it. Let's see if we can wait for it to come back into here. Retest before taking that stop. Break even on that. So now we got a small change in direction here after taking that little low. Wait for this BSC to get broken. So we just wait for that little potential retest to get you out of the trade. And we haven't broken anything here, so this could still come back into here and still go higher. So wait for this little bull trap here to get broken. And then you're looking back inside this range and you're saying, what could we be aiming for here? 50% of that range. That old one here, it's really tight, small little objective. So you want to see this kind of roll over here and take this out. You're doing great. I like to hear it, man. Families are okay. Daniel's okay. I like to hear. So we just had a wick up into the area we are looking for earlier. I wanted to see us tag this candle. I would like to have seen us come back and just hit this premium area here. We still haven't got a body above here yet. We've still got wicks, so don't jump on it too quick. Just kind of wait and see. Yeah, I have 874 as my next upside target here. And then 011. If we keep going higher, that is. This is right in that 4-hour mean threshold, so that's why I call for 9 or 840. So far, nothing's been triggered there yet, other than this change in direction here. We have no continuation here through the bull trap yet. We've closed through the mean threshold of it. So I'm looking for this to just create a new wick high and then come back into here. Now we're above there. Tag it and send it higher. Did that close above? Just closed above it. So little tag and pop. Let's see if we can start getting through here now. Remember, inside this leg here, we have a premium and we have a discount. So you want to watch how it acts inside there. That's a nice little tag of this. You don't want to lose the mean threshold right there. Ha. Now I look to run back here. You lose that mean threshold, look for the discount box below you or the CIBI below it. There's the retest of it. Now we want to see it run for a premium or eat through this. Let's start the next leg down, which should take us into that into our next discount box below us. It pop through here now. Either that or it's going to drive through the mean threshold of 815 and start running higher. So I want to see this give way and then start our next leg down. It's got to break through here though at 802. There's the mean threshold. So far that discount array is holding, and you're stuck inside here now. So I want to see if this holds against this, or this gives way and then we start digging into that premium. Then you start to switch up to a longer run. We'd have to close again above this candle. Use it again as support for us to keep pushing higher. Otherwise, looking at that candle's mean threshold to hold back price. And I'd like to see those two battle it out for a bit here and see who's going to fail first. So I'm looking right there and there, then here, and then that candle with this. Oh, sorry, that array and that bull trap. So far, so good. Still battling this out. Watch this close. It's got to close below here. Ooh, you got snap there, the D. That was a slap, wasn't it? Yeah, risk-free savior, man. I tell you, get a big open like that. I don't know if there's a news release or not, but that's right off the 870. It's just shy of 872. Looking at this candle here, we have a graded response right now. There's an A level entry. You want to see it just leave straight from here. It's the close on that candle. $870 and 870 I should be looking at, not 873. 870. Couple of ticks short of it there. I like a buy there. It'll be just below this. This fails its mean threshold, then we're looking for down here, and I got to get out. We have this premium area. We want to see get tagged at the worst. Just want to see if this holds. Sends it higher. No. Get that. Took it out right at the bottom of the premium. Came back and filled in the premium perfectly. Now we'll see if that's it's tagged this SIBI down here. Once we saw that lose, you're looking for the SIBI below it. So now you don't want to see this come back through here. Morning, Russell. Morning, Hans. What are you guys doing this morning? If you look at your 4-hour, that's the rejection block at the 4-hour. It's also the rejection block of the daily. Well, don't be surprised if it comes all the way back down again. Rejection blocks are good like that. The next one is 013 on the daily. You can take the high from 3 days ago, which would be my objective, I think. It's the 975. What's the high on that candle? 975.5. And then we'll see if we get another big drive down again. So now, what I typically look for is if it goes through my mean threshold and tags that SIBI, I like to see it come back through it, and then use this as support to go higher. So we'll see if we get that. Oh, great. We still haven't broke into a decent summer yet. I'm glad you got some good weather over there. What city do you live next to, Hans, or in? We're still waiting for a lot of a start to our summer out here. We've had lots of rain, which is good, I guess, for the crops, but we need some more sunshine. See if we get above that little imbalance right here now. We live in Denmark. It's about 20 degrees here, 27 degrees. It's over 40. Jeepers. That'd be a hot day, especially down there. It's a little more muggy down there, right? It's not like a dry heat or anything. Denmark's 27. That's pretty hot for Denmark, I guess. Take a look at the Dow, he says, on the 1 hour. Dow's got to really start picking up, start eating through this premium level here. It's got to eat through all of this. It's got to clear that 52,238 and then use that as support to go higher. Yes, screw it. I want to see this candle get taken to the upside, use as support, then we can start reaching for the equals highs again. And where's the 75.83? $75.89 to 600. Rate interest for ES. After sweep last week's open, I'm looking for 52,378. 52,378. $52,470. 52,247. 52,247. That's what I'll be looking at next. Is my next data point. 52,247. That's what I'd be looking for up there. And oil, what's oil up to? Well, yeah, oil's had a nice little change in direction here. Retest right there, go lower. Targeting discount box down here. Watch for the mean threshold of that. Let's see if you get a reaction off of here. Want to see it eat back through this level here to start running back into that imbalance above you on the hourly, if that's the direction you're headed. $928.50 in NQ as well. I'm free, the risk free as well. Getting in off this change in direction here. Enter. You get a piece off here and get yourself risk free. That's the 870 level. I'm gonna wait for the open now. I'm out. I'm gonna wait for the open. This could be it. This could shoot straight up, or we could just come ripping back down again. And 784. What's gold up to? Yeah, look at that. Interesting data point, hey? Look at that. Just bang, 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 right on it. Won't go through it just yet. It's 7:30, so you want to see a Judas pullback, I guess, and see if we get a run higher, another punch through that. If not, this could be just the big turnaround point right at that 870 level, and then just drive it all the way back down. And people are looking for old highs. You don't get them. It still feels like it wants to get up into at least 925 area. But we have a change. Let's see if we get the... Why do you figure 890? What's at 890 a D? Oh, I see. On the daily there. That's the edge of it for sure. But always remember your rejection blocks. Always remember the rejection blocks. Oh yeah, I see your 890. Well, I see you're at 848 to 860. Yeah, I still... Oh, I see right there. Yeah, I got you. The edge of the Sibi. Don't underestimate your rejection blocks, my friends. I preach it to you many, many times. And this is the ones that leave you hanging, right? As soon as you hit that rejection block, you can get hung up, and then you get this kind of thing where it rips back against you, especially when you're looking at time and price. That's hit a nice key level at time. And now we've got the 827 or the 927 just before the open. So we've still got this array here. Got change in direction, like little sweeps of these little breakers that take out these highs. Parent breaker of the run above here. Wait for a close below this level. We did. Look for the no-go zone right there. Send it lower. Look for the low. All you're looking for here is a Model 3 to the edge. Right there, you'd pay yourself. Move your stop loss to break even. And now you're looking for a little poke through. There's the poke through. Pay yourself there. And oh, I haven't put in my 830 yet, have I? 830. So I'll come back and tag 830 or just above it, and the consequent encroachment of that premium, and then send it lower. There's the 830 tag. So 5 minute wants to hang up on here and send it back up. Here's the open. Don't chase it. Wait. So 5 minute wants to send it back up. Are you still in this, Hadi, for a long? Wow. Get your 90 right there then, buddy. Right there. Bing. Done. You got your 90. Ba-boom. Good for you, man. Mm-hmm. I'm just going to sit mine in here. It should be out by now. Takes a while to close these things out. There's the discount. Right back into our premium here in the 15 minute. Right back to the discount on the 5 minute. I'll just wait for a nice setup. It did give me some profit there. It was only 35 bucks, but now I want to see if we can get this discount holds, and takes us back through this bull trap. Otherwise, I want to see if this little discount holds. We got to change in direction right here. And we'll start heading back up again. Okay. No data point tick for me. We said if it broke through here, it would go higher, but there was no opportunity to get in on any of these levels. So we'll wait. The next is 979. 979. That's the first entry I can see there for a continuation. Morning, Derek. change. Did not get support here. It tagged it, went higher, took out the high. So the rule is if you take out the most recent high, you pay yourself. So most recent high, pay yourself. And then if we continue to run back through the mean threshold of this candle, we're still going lower. So we've got 1 change of direction, 2 confirmed, 3 confirmed. Discount box down here now. So now we can come back, revisit the areas that we've missed. Wait for the close. This hasn't been traded through yet. So we'll look for a revisit of 1, which is the mean threshold of that candle. Unless we close below here. Big choppy candles. So we go change, change, change. Run through the discount box now. Still nothing. We didn't get anything on the entry up. You're not getting anything on the entry down. It's just cleaning up. Got closed right on that discount box. We've just swept into the rejection block. Now let's see if we start to climb back up higher into the area that we haven't run yet. So either that or we're looking for a close below here. There. Now that should be a sell lower. And I only want to be above this one. I'll have to be above that area here. That's testing it there. You can still run up higher into it. Now I don't want to close above here, because then I'm stuck between going higher and this being the no-go zone to go lower. See how we've had this poke to here, ran through it, keep running through it. Not a good sign. Oops. Yeah, not a good sign. We're eating through our level here, and now this should close above here. So now we're back into those areas that didn't get retested. So I've got to wait for up here now at 904. No-go zone didn't work. So that says it's a go or a no-go if we trade through it. So it's a no-go for a short. So now you're back inside this range. You got a discount, you got a premium. That would be like P1 is the edge here, 2 and 3 is here. So you could still go lower, but you'd have to break through this now to wait. Or you'd have to wait for this to break to go higher. This is just an internal range liquidity. We didn't get the internal range in here because this traded way through that and through that. So that took out the stop. So now if you want to see this go higher, we have to see this break here. That would be this premium array right here. So keep in mind, if we're chopping around here, this, remember we said this hadn't been hit yet. It's come all the way back and hit it perfectly here. Now this hasn't been hit yet. So we could still chop around inside here, revisit this down here. So in this smaller range here, I'm looking at this. Yeah, I agree. There's a lot down there below you. If you're just staying on the horse though, we're inside this small range here, bouncing around in it. So you have to see a break above this premiums level here and then use it as support to go higher, or you're going to get through here to start looking for lower prices. So if we run this, then I've got better hopes that we can run these 15-minute ones out down here. Derek, you're long in ES. That's the go, no go zone we talked about earlier. So it's got a break through here if you want that to go higher. How's our Dow Jones doing? Dow Jones reached for our upside objective right there, 247. Now you want to see that act as support to go higher. And these guys are chopping around as usual. So Russell, did you make your trade there? Oh, you're not long on anything right now? Good for you, Russell. There's the pop above. Come back, tag it, send it higher. I want to see it break through here now. Not just hit here, roll over, and come back down again. Remember, this is untouched down here, so that was untouched. Now it's come back up that. You can run back all the way back down into here now. That's where you get that consolidation thing happening. So unless we get a break above this high with some support, preferably a fair value gap. See what I mean? It's coming back to reclaim it. That's typically what you'll see is it come back. Those areas that didn't get retested, comes back, gets them. So now you see how we're just back and forth between unclaimed areas. So now you got to wait for either this one to break or that one to break to start setting it higher or lower. $9.27 is the bottom or the high of the daily price imbalance. It's right on the money. So that is the close is, oh, it's the close is 929.50. The high on that candle is 926.75. So 3 more handles above that. That'll be a full tap of that daily price amounts. Then we're looking for that 980, 012. To go, that's a long. Just gonna put my stop loss back down here. Risk free. That's going to take a while for it to recognize that it's already past my. Yeah, it looks good. The D. Gotta watch that level, but you know, you're inside this little range right here right now. I haven't watched an ICT video in months, so I have no idea what you're talking about. Goes over so a small ICT concept and takes out of Michael's videos some good stuff. Eliminates the additional words Michael is famous for. Just has the words that relate to trading. Oh, this is not ICT. This is somebody else. It is just ICT. So it's ICT himself talking, or some guy that is taking ICT concepts and doing that. ICT himself talking. This guy's just removed the stuff. Ah, okay. Well, it's not super clear for sure, Derek. So the only thing I can see is like a model 4 here for continuation, but it's really choppy. They're not like super clean, but a model 3 extension, model 4 continuation, but they are choppy for sure. And we're reaching these highs now, so I'm looking for an opportunity here around 10 or 11 to see a reversal, take out some highs, like clear out that 975, 31013, clear out this one, and then look for that one, and then that one, and then so these are the upsides I'm looking for. Those are the next data points that I'm looking at. Yeah, you know, if you want some nice clean runs, this is not a clean run at all this morning. This is the only cleanest thing I could see this morning, is this nice little return back to the mean threshold of the bull trap, send it higher. If you were long there, patient at midnight, and just let that run for highs. Look for a retest of the highs. On the 15-minute chart, it's a lot cleaner. Mind you, had to wait a few hours for it banging around on top of that before it finally took out the highs, came back to the old BISI here. So it retested the BISI. Remember, we hadn't retested it yet. Once we broke through it, we didn't get a chance to retest it. Finally came back, retested it, sent it higher. This is 1010. We have a change in direction right now. We don't have a market structure shift yet. Keep your eyes down here. Retest, send it lower. I want to see us get through this. These guys are buried inside this guy, so I'm going to wait for that to get traded below first. Otherwise, this is still untested up here yet. You can get one of these push-ups, roll over, take out this low, and then send it lower. Right on it. Closed right on it. Opened on it. Tag and go. Not my rule. Not my rule. My rule is close below. That literally opened and closed right on it. If you're looking at that one, retest, send it lower. First bull candle after this sweep here, don't count this one. First bull candle or bear candle to the left, this one. Close below it, tag it, send it lower. As soon as it takes out a low, move to break even, pay yourself, go risk free. Risk free off of here. Let's see if we just retest this area right here, right now, and hold right there. And then send it lower. Nope. Rejection block. We're through it. Coming back inside here. I like to see a retest of this back up here. That'll put us at 50%, I think. I like to see 2021 put us in here. It's going to take us a new little. That no-go zone just froze it right on there. Take it to a short there. It's not crispy. I'm looking for a 3-minute fair value gap. Market structure shift above the price and in a bearish order block. And that's ignoring me. I guess I missed that one. Risk free. And I want to see if this pushes through this discount box now. I'm going to use this as a no-go zone. I'm going to go right here. That's a nice little Model 4. We had a Model 3, Model 4. Now I want to see the same thing happen here. Let's clear out what we lost earlier. And we'll wait for the next model here. So just close below that, come back inside it. This would be really nice if it was aggressive and just left here, did not come back and retest that level. But anywhere inside there is fine. You can come all the way back up to 842. But if you're really aggressive, you should just leave from there. Go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. So far, that's this one's still panning out. I want to see this push hard now, get through this discount array down here. I'm still in my live account short on this, so I want to see this really push fast through here now and start running out those lows. Look at that. Excellent. Yeah, I just did. I'll be right back. All right, where are we still going? $6.27. Midnight open candle. Now I'd like to see us come back to the 6 a.m. candle here and bounce off of that. Oh, I don't want to buy that one. I want to short that one. I want to sell in there. All the way up to 733. Let that sit there. 733. We're going to wait for this to close below here. We can come up to 714 all the way to 748. $725 to 738. There's 725. That's it. All the way up to 738. 738's right here. So retest this. Got nothing here, nothing here. Bull trap. It's got to hold price back now. It's a test to go higher. This is the crazy Ivan time. It's better. Retest that little imbalance right there. See if we can get through this mean threshold here and continue our little run down. And a 1 minute chart. That puts us at no-go zone. Sorry, on the 5 minute in this no-go zone right here. Oh, sorry, the first one down here. Break through it, come back inside it. Right there. And I want to see it continue going lower. It's already taken these lows out, so I want to see that candle get closed below. And I'm risk-free from here. I'm trusting that no-go zone. That's a model 4, guys. Just need to take that low out, and then your model 4 is completed. $6 a.m. candle again. So far, so good. And that's why I'm looking for sells finally. We could see this SMT here, not sure which might not take out that low. Well, I think it's still going to go for the low. We're still back in the no-go zone here, and where the no-go zone is holding, I just want to see this pop through here. There's the rejection block. If you're not happy with how it's working, at least pay yourself there. 42 candle. Keep coming. And done. There you go. So you pay yourself, you'll be break even now. And let it run. Model 4. So you would have paid yourself here, move your stop loss to break even plus the cost of the trade. And now you're looking for, well, that's the fill of that. So next objective for me is 593. Midnight open. Look for this area down here. Did you get your run higher? Well, I guess you didn't get much run higher there. Did you get your 304? Was that your level, Russell? Weren't you looking for a run up into the 300 and something? Or were you looking for way up there? Nope. Okay. Let's see if we get a change in direction here. This is a retest of the low candle here. There's a little imbalance right there. We've already tagged it once right here on the edge of it. This is fine here. I don't want to see that start going back through there now. There's that little pop onto that imbalance. Now wait for 27 seconds, see if we get above here. Then we're back inside this range and then our bull trap, so on and so forth. It's 11 o'clock. It's approaching 11 o'clock. Here's our first discount. If you're looking for another big run up inside this leg we've just had down here, retest this, wait for this to break, and then send it higher. This closes through here, wait for a retest, and then send it lower. Looking for that midnight open again. Traded below it, trade back into it now. Now you want to see it come lower. See that go lower there. I want to see this mean threshold give way now. Yeah, there is a new weak opening gap below us too, isn't there? We just started running right. Oh, we've just tagged the high of the open candle. Didn't want to see that mean threshold get closed above. It didn't. Take that low and move to break even. We'll move there right now. It's kind of choppy, so. I want to see us hit this midnight open here. Try that again. I don't like us seeing revisiting this again. I don't trust that's not going to pound back up there, so. There we go. Our take profit will be down here. Just targeting the midnight open. I've already ran the bottoms out. I've only got one on there, so I'll try it again right there. All the time this is going to hold, I'll keep holding that. Stop loss will go just above that high. I don't want to see that come back through here again. Oops, did I move the wrong one? Did I move the take profit instead of the top? Oh, well. Keep your eyes on the midnight open now. It's too much chop for me. So that no-go zone is just tagged multiple times here. If it's clean, you want to see it just get tagged once and leave. Again, keep your eyes on this level down here. We're getting close to 11 o'clock, so the macro is about to begin. Or it's already in. We're in the macro now. So I want to see this big push down here now. Get into this level and then wait for that reversal for 11 o'clock. Big push down. So you should be, as soon as it takes that low, you should be break even. Pay yourself. Target. And then the equal lows down here. And then the next target is going to be way down through here. It'll be 477 or 466 to 502. There's your midnight open. Just shy of it right there. Got your first. So pay yourself. There you go. There's your midnight open. Right back into that midnight open range. You see that midnight candle? You tag that. Now I'm interested in seeing what kind of response we get here. So think about how this is. Let's hit our target. Now the next thing I want to see is, can we get back through here, take out this bull trap, and use the bull trap and the no-go zone and use that as support to keep pushing higher, back up inside this range here for 11 o'clock lunch hour. The retracement back on this range. You push back through here now. Clear it right through. I want to see this left alone, and this candle here used as support. It's been a good morning. When markets are tracking cleanly, you can really catch some nice little runs here. This has been a nice morning for me this morning. No run through here yet. You see that? We just ran to the top of it, to the no-go zone. So if we get a retracement now, looking at this level right here, unless we break through this, I'm looking at this down here. And it can come all the way down to 578. So I want to see this pop through here on a close. And then start really getting a push up here. So the next one you have to see if it clears this one. Then you use the whole candle and that SIBI back there. The tag of this one. That goes up from there and doesn't give me the little pop in. That candle. We ran above this one. Then we ran above this one. We've come back and tagged this one. We're looking to run higher. So as soon as it takes that high, you pay yourself, move to break even, and hope that doesn't come back and take you out. Make coffee money. That's it. So you're demanding that price leave from here and not even come back and fill this. I'd like to see that no-go zone get tagged once, but So this would be the go to go short, no go if you break through it. So it's a no go zone now. Now it'll be your go to continue going higher. And then if it breaks through, it's a no go. Then you're back into chop again. That's a 2, 7. I'd like to see 7 in here. 3, 4, or a 5 even. Oops. I'm going to see if this goes down here now. There's the retest. I think it's going to come back to 50% though. All this chopping around. We'll put one along there anyway. We'll have to sit here below here. Put this guy right on 50. And this will be my last trade for the morning. Looking for a retracement back inside here. And if we lose this level, I'm on the wrong side of it. We've already got we haven't really popped above that high there. So this eating through the mean threshold here, that says we're heading for this discount array down here, which is 50% of that run right there. Oh, it wouldn't let me take another one there. Fair enough. That's 50% where we originally wanted to go. That's where we'd be in. Stop loss now sits down here. Now 50% of this would be 596. This could be the next huge price leg down, this one here, and then drive all the way down through here. There's the midpoint. You want some of this to stay open, otherwise through the mean threshold to the discount. That's it. So I don't want to go any lower than that. I'm going to see this push up now. Kamau, how are you doing, buddy? I'm doing well. Thank you very much for asking, there, Kamau. So, again, sloppy and choppy. I want to see this really kick out of here now. See how it's just come right back up and froze there? No, I don't want to see it come back through this mean threshold. So we got further downside visit. I was hoping to just pick off this and send that through here, but we haven't got through here, and we've just come back inside this small little premium right here inside that range, like a box to box run. So you hit this box, ran to the box, and now you're back inside this small little leg here. It's compressing, so you got to wait for it to bust out of here now. That's what I was hoping for, Kamal, but we didn't get this break through this premium here, and we didn't get a break through the no-go zone right now, so we're just compressing. So it's one of those guesses. It can go either way right now. I'd like to see it go higher. We are slightly bullish at this point. On this 1 minute leg, we're still slightly bullish. So more confirmation is a breakthrough here and here, and then we'll look for the high to get taken. Use a model 3. If you're looking at this small range here, looking for a model 3 to go back into the larger range, or a model 4, depending on how we act above here. You just wait for the model set up. If it's not there, don't take it. If that's not a model for you, then that's okay too. Oh, that's going higher right now. We've got a change in direction there, Kevin. We've got a short and we've got a long. And you're sitting in the middle of that little range right here, this box to box run. And this one, we just want to see this pop through here. Then you got confirmation we're going higher. If we run through here, then I'm with Kevin, we're going shorter. But it's 11 o'clock, so you anticipate that that would go higher. So we're right up to the top of our premium now. And now we're broken through the go, no go zone. So now I want to see if this holds. It starts to clear this out. We're just banging on the top, so we're just back and forth between these two areas now. Still nothing yet, eh? Wait for the 28 seconds. This could be one of those ugly wicks. We still haven't filled in the lower portion of this SIBI here yet. So there's still that little piece down here and this little imbalance. So we're on the bottom half of that no-go zone now. We ran through it. We've been through it once, twice, 3 times now. So you got to wait for these upsides to break. Otherwise, you're just going to keep getting beat up in here. So if it bounces off of here, you want to see it come back down into here. What's ES up to? In the middle of the range. Yep, not touching it, especially getting into that lunch hour, 11 o'clock. I was hoping that we'd just see this tag and leave, not get into all this chop going on here. I'd expected to see this just run, but we're not getting that. This would be like almost an institutional order flow entry drill. We don't quite get the bottom. That high of that candle right there is 62. High of this candle is, oh, sorry, 682. This is 680. So we're still 2 handles short of an institutional order flow entry drill if you want to keep pushing lower. So now we're just chopping, banging back and forth off this zone. Roll over, keep coming lower. You see how you can get beat up in here? If you don't wait for this to bust out of the zone here, when you start getting some chop, especially around an area you're expecting to have resistance on, if you don't wait for a break out of the zone, you're going to say, okay, now it's above it. I'm going to trade long. Oh, it went below it. Now I'm trading short. I'm trading long, short, long, short. You just keep getting beat up all the time. Wait for discount premium. Now I'd be waiting for this area right here. That area right there to get broken on the upside. That will be the premium. This would be the discount. You gotta wait for those to go higher or lower now. I didn't. I'm looking for a long, looking for a market structure shift, but it didn't the 15-minute look so good. It shouldn't have been trading based on looks alone. Yeah, 15 minutes been the cleanest one today. I just want to see it pop up into here. Give this a little kiss right at that mean threshold, consequent encroachment of this. I'd like to see that get tagged, and then that'll be your institutional order flow entry drill. 1 or 2 candles after this has been set. Manuel is manipulating it, yes. Emmanuel manipulation. You think it's an hourly SMT? Yep, I agree. It is. Watch right here and this here. I think it's going to be it for me, you guys. It's chopping around too much for me, getting too close to lunch hour. So I'll wait for after lunch for something clean to set up, because this is just going into face slapping mode. So I think that's going to be it for me. See you again soon. Keep your eyes on the SMT that's going on right now with ES and NQ. ES made a lower low on the hourly, and NQ has not made a lower low on the hourly. It's made a higher low, so they're resisting. So if this pulls back now, I'd like to see this come back into that 695 zone there, 695 to 698, 700 area, and then see if we get a reaction off of that and send it lower, and then finally take out this low. That's what I'd like to see anyway. And ES has to start busting out through here, take out this high, and use this and this bull trap and this premium as a support to go through the next mean threshold, rejection block, and old high. Does that make sense? Anyway, see you guys. Thumbs up, like, the whole 9 yards. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys. Send in the love again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.